With fulfillment centers in Kentucky, Los Angeles, and the heart of Silicon Valley, DCL Logistics is an omni-channel logistics company, primarily servicing emerging and high-growth electronics and medical technology brands.
We've been a direct recipient of the explosion in e-commerce growth, so our need to do direct-to-consumer fulfillment faster, at scale, and cheaper has been becoming increasingly more important. We've looked at a number of robotic systems. A lot of them are really enterprise solutions that kind of replaced an entire facility or line. And we felt that universal robots was a perfect solution because it was very modular. We could customize it to our customers' needs. Number two is it was flexible in the way it was programmed. We could build and integrate in our systems very easily. And number three, it could work alongside our current workforce. So that was really important to us, that the robots would augment what we're currently doing.
What we've seen is up to a 500% increase in productivity by using the robot. The ROI on the robot so far has been 3 months, and it continues to decrease as we integrate more robots. In a conventional, traditional picking process, it takes about 5 people to ship an order. Somebody who's in the warehouse picking an order, somebody bringing it to the line, somebody verifying that order, somebody kitting that order, somebody shipping, and then packing the order. With the robot, you combine all those tasks and you virtually don't have anybody touching the product.
The robotic system can do what an entire team of 5 people would do an entire day within 2 hours, which has been really important and kind of crucial to the growth of our business. What it allows us to do is we could lower pricing by as much as 40%, which we pass on to our customers. Our accuracy has increased from 99.5% to 100% while the robot's been in production.
We designed this application using the universal robot so that it can run 24 hours, 7 days a week without any human interaction. If it's the wrong item, it will go to the next available location for that item.
As soon as someone came out with this idea to use a robot for fulfilling orders, I was really excited. So we went to the website, the Universal Robot Academy, and tried to learn what actually a 6-axis robot is, what is capable of. That was, for me, was oh wow, bingo, so we can test everything.
My team looked at a lot of robots. Universal Robots was one of the ones that had its most reach for our environment. And that was one of the key elements. We wanted to make an environment where we can pick our products from 2 cells. We had looked at various gripper peripherals, and it's very easily compatible. They have UR caps that make it a plug-and-play scenario instead of having to learn the commands of the unit. You can actually simulate and see and control the forces with the interface of the UR cap on a touch pendant.
The e-commerce industry, currently it's only about 15% of the retail market, so it's only going to continue to grow. So we imagine in the next 5 to 10 years that robotics as part of the DCL operation is going to be even more important. We're going to go from 1 robot system to have as many as 10 to 20 robots. I think with the robot, we can get into other verticals that we've been targeting. So it's a very exciting time for DCL.